Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a wash day routine, and we're starting off from a week-old slick ponytail style. So what I'm first going to do is just wet my hair very thoroughly because you do not want to apply any products when your hair is very dry. Now that your hair is soaking wet, you're going to take your choice of shampoo. Mine is the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine, and I'm just going to lather that into my hands, and then I'm going to apply it, mainly focusing on my scalp. And I usually like to buy Shea Moisture products because they always make my hair feel very moisturized after washing it. Now I'm just going to continue to lather the shampoo and rub it into my hair. Remember, you want to focus on the scalp mainly because you want to get all that dirt and residue out of your hair. Now you're just going to rinse out all of that shampoo. You want to make sure you're not leaving any of it in your hair. Now I'm going to take the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner, and I'm going to put a lot of this in my hair. And now I'm just sectioning off my hair because when I usually wash my hair, I like to detangle it in sections. So that's just what I'm doing right now. It doesn't have to be neat or straight. Now I'm just gonna really put that and coat my hair with this conditioner because it just restores the moisture back into my hair. And then I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and detangle my hair. So after detangling each section, I'm going to take a hair tie and tie it around that section, and then I'm just going to move on to detangling my hair in sections. I found that this method just works best for me because my hair is very thick and coarse. So taking it section by section, it helps me to make sure I'm able to detangle every strand of hair. I just like really love this conditioner because my curls are just so much more bouncier and more manageable, and my curls just like really pop. Usually with other conditioners that are more thin, they don't really help restore the moisture. I find that using the Shea Moisture conditioner just helps restore that moisture. So now I'm just going to put on a shower cap and leave that conditioner in my hair just as like a deep condition for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and rinse out that conditioner. When I rinse out the conditioner, I actually keep on the hair ties because they're already in sections, and that just makes it easier for me when I'm about to style my hair. Now it's time to moisturize and style our hair, and I usually just twist up my hair, and I'm going to take the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. Obviously this is just a Shea Moisture appreciation video because I'm using all Shea Moisture products, and I'm just going to work that Curl Enhancing Smoothie into my hair. Also, I'm going to take some Jamaican black castor oil and put that on my scalp just to give me some more moisture. And I really love this oil because it's like thick and my hair is like usually dry, and I always put it up in a wig for weeks at a time. So this oil is like perfect for me. So after we finish moisturizing our hair, now it's time to style, and usually I just twist up my hair. I don't twist it up in any particular way. I don't do this neatly. I just section it with my fingers and call it a day because anybody got time for that? So yeah, I'm just going to twist my hair all the way to the ends, and then when I get towards the front of my hair, I'm just going to braid it down instead of twisting, because I just find that that gives me just a flatter look in the front, because you know, you want your wig to lay flat, so braiding your hair in the front is best. We are all finished, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one.